The CHUBORY A77 Drone Kit offers an impressive flight time of 84 minutes, thanks to its 3 powerful batteries and efficient brushless motors. Equipped with a high-quality 4,000-pixel adjustable camera, this drone captures stunning aerial footage with a wide-angle view, making it perfect for photography enthusiasts. The A77 is designed with user-friendly features like Follow Me, Auto Hover, and Optical Flow Positioning, ensuring a stable and enjoyable flying experience for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Its foldable design and lightweight construction make the A77 drone an ideal travel companion, easily fitting into its durable carrying case for convenient transportation. This drone's robust build, featuring upgraded composite materials, ensures it withstands collisions, offering a reliable and long-lasting flying experience. With its comprehensive features and easy-to-use controls, the CHUBORY A77 is an excellent choice for both recreational and professional drone users.